Good morning, friends. This is RD, and you are watching Car Tech. And today we have the all new Renault Kwid 2015 model. And this is the front profile of the car. काफ़ी एलिगेंट लुकिंग हैचबैक है रेनो की क्विड. This is the Outbreak bronze color, and along with this you can buy it in 5 different color options. क्रोम फिनिश्ड फ्रंट ग्रिल मिल जाती है आपको इस कार में, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं. एंड हेलोजन हेडलैम्प्स मिलेंगे विथ टर्न इंडिकेटर्स. एंड लोअर बम्पर पे ब्लैक फिनिश मिलेगी एज यू कैन सी. नाउ लेट्स टेक अ लुक ऑन द साइड प्रोफाइल ऑफ दिस कार. 3.6 मीटर लेंथ है इस कार की एंड 1579 मिलीमीटर्स की विड्थ. व्हील आर्च क्लैडिंग भी मिल जाती है आपको. एंड ऑन दैट यू गेट द टर्न इंडिकेटर्स. 13 इंच के स्टील व्हील्स मिलते हैं. फ्रंट में डिस्क एंड रियर में ड्रम ब्रेक्स. एंड आगे आपको मैकफरसन स्ट्रट सस्पेंशन मिलेगा. एंड दिस इज द आउटसाइड रियर व्यू मिरर which is finished in black. And chrome door handles, which of course is a part of accessory. काफ़ी स्मार्ट लुकिंग हैचबैक है ये. एंड यू गेट रूफ रेल्स एज वेल which is functional. And this is the power antenna of this car. And this is the RXL model badging with some chrome inserts. Now let's take a look at the rear profile of this car. You get clear rear look as you can see, along with integrated spoiler. This is the Kwid badging and logo finished in chrome, and key slot, and a chrome line runs across the boot. And you also get the camera down here and parking sensors of course. And these are the suspensions. 180 मिलीमीटर्स की ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस मिल जाती है आपको इस कार में. Now let's open the boot of this car. कीज के थ्रू ओपन होगी बूट. एंड यहाँ पे आपको 300 लीटर की बूट स्पेस मिलेगी अलॉन्ग विथ पार्सल सेल्फ. एंड लोड कवर के नीचे स्पेयर व्हील आएगी जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, अलॉन्ग विथ टूल किट. एंड boot is kind of compact. Now let's get into the rear passenger seats and check out the interior of this car. You get nice black finish on the door as you can see. And this is the manual window control. 28 लीटर्स की फ्यूल टैंक आती है इस कार में, through which you will get an average of 25 km per liter. And this is how the rear seats look. You get Renault embossing on the seats and tinge of orange inserts. Now let's get inside the car. As you can see, the legroom is kind of decent, and you get rear seat pocket as well. On either side you get grab handles. And this is how the front dashboard looks like from the rear seats. और आइए अब चलते कार की पैसेंजर सीट पे. You get nice chrome handles. And this is how the passenger side door looks. You get the black door handles, and as you can see, 1 liter bottle can easily fit into the door bins. And this is the look of front seats. You get side bolsters, and the seats are very comfortable. On the passenger side you get this nice storage in front of the passenger, and circular AC vents, and the glove box is of decent size. On the sun visor you don't get a vanity mirror, and this is the light which is not an LED, and the rear view mirror. आइए अब ओपन करते हैं ड्राइवर साइड डोर एंड देखते हैं कार के इंटीरियर एंड टेक्नोलॉजी ऑन ऑफर. So on the door you get same blackish treatment as you can see, with black door handles, manual window control and decent size door bins. और ये कार की फ्यूल लीड रिलीज का लीवर एंड कार की पेडल्स, and this is the key slot and keys of car. Now let's step inside. You get 3-spoke designed steering wheel with black accents as you can see, and chrome finished Renault logo which looks nice indeed. And on the sides you get toggles for headlight and wiper control, and this is how the instrument cluster looks like. And you get orange inserts and electronic multi-trip meter, digital clock, digital odo and speedometer which shows low fuel warning, speed alert, seatbelt warning, etc. You get this nice grey touch as well. On the sun visor you don't get vanity mirror or receipt holder as you can see. In the center console you get AC vents. This car comes with AC with heater. And now let's hear the music system of this car. The sound is decent, and these are the AC controls along with heater control and hazard light button. You get 2 speakers music system in this car with Bluetooth and radio connectivity, and down here you get 12-volt charging socket and cup holders. And this is the 5-speed manual gearbox with chrome surround. Automatic is also available, and this is the manual handbrake, and you get some space as well. Now let's talk about the stats on this car. So this is the engine bay of this car. It comes with a 799cc 3-cylinder petrol engine which produces 53.3 bhp of power and 72 Newton meters of torque. In terms of safety, this car comes with ABS with EBD, center locking, child safety locks, driver airbag, seatbelt warning, engine immobilizer, engine check warning, rear camera, anti-theft device, and advanced safety features like 2-year corrosion protection, speed alert, etc. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified when we make a new upload. Thank you so much for watching.